Star fruit, also known as carambola, is a fruit native to tropical Southeast Asia. Now, let us head home. In Cameroon, this fruit is not common. It is an exotic fruit. Therefore, hi guys, you are welcome to another episode on the health benefits of plants and fruits around us. Here with us, we have star fruits, and this fruit can be washed either using bicarbonate of soda, apple cider vinegar, or normal water. As earlier on mentioned, this fruit is an exotic fruit, meaning it is not a common fruit in Cameroon. It is a foreign fruit. However, some people are very, very good and kind to have planted trees which bears this fruit. This fruit has amazing health benefits. But before we jump right into it, we are going to understand some of the basics concerning this fruit. If any part of this fruit is bad when you buy it, then you can just proceed to cut it out. Looking at the structure of the fruit, it best explains the reason why this fruit is called star fruit. This is because once you cut it, it definitely comes out in a star shape, as you can see. In most cases, this fruit is sweet. However, in other cases, it has some sort of sour taste. I can equally say it contains a good amount of water, because when you suck it, you are definitely going to feel so much water coming out of it. Should in case you decide to plant it, then this is the right way to take out the seeds. You do not get to wound or break the seeds. You're just going to cut around and remove carefully. It is more demonstrative than explanatory, and I hope you get to watch. For our very first health benefit, star fruit has or contains an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for boosting the immune system and protecting the body against diseases as well as infections. 2. This fruit supports weight management since it contains very low calories and it is high in fiber, making it a great option for those who are trying to maintain a healthy weight. While on keto, this was one of the many keto compliant fruits I was allowed to have, star fruit, and this therefore validates the fact that it helps with weight management. Please do not forget to consult your doctor, as they might be in a better position to either encourage you to either have this fruit or not. These fruits may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a perfect or beneficial option for those suffering from diabetes. Containing a sufficient amount of water places this fruit as a beneficial hydration helper. Therefore, it helps a lot with one's hydration. I remember stating that it contains a lot of water just by sucking it. This fruit promotes digestion due to the large percentage of fiber in the fruit. Also, it helps improve sleeping patterns, and I can say for a fact that this fruit is definitely a healing fruit. This fruit contains a lot of vitamins which the body requires or needs, thereby making it good for one's hair. These clips are here to show you guys how to eat this fruit. This fruit is edible. The entire fruit, ranging from the skin to the inner parts and every other thing, is edible, perhaps except for the seeds, which you will encounter when either sucking or eating the fruits. You can just take out the seeds and set them aside. So this is how you eat this fruit. Every part of it is edible. This fruit can be added to one's parfait. It can equally be added to a bowl of oatmeal. It can be added to fruit salad trays as well as regular salad trays. You can equally blend this in order to make some juice with it. And I'm definitely sure if I get to see this fruit again, I will do a tutorial on how to make juice using star fruit. Trust me when I say this fruit is nutritive and it has some sort of hydration effect. Now, those are the seeds you've seen, and I am going to show you guys how to plant the seeds. If you have a garden, that is very much okay, but if you do not have, then you can grab a container whichever one of your choice you can use. So I grabbed a small 1.5 liter container and then cut into two. After cutting into two, I filled it with and therefore proceeded to make a hole in the middle and then proceeded to add my seeds. Now I love to tell you guys that after sucking this fruit, you realize that you have some fruits around it and all of that. Remove it so there's no moisture on the seeds, or use a paper towel to make sure that the seeds are all dry before proceeding to plant them. After covering properly with ground, you're going to water every day until you see progress. Perhaps the rainy season will come and it will help you. Thank you guys for watching. Wish me luck, and I pray my fowls do not destroy this plant. Bye.